China both have reduced the average tariffs on the import, and also it has facilitated trade through the reduction of non-trade tariffs. So that is very important to the rest of the world. So in that sense, I think it was historical, it was unprecedented, it was transformative by how China play a significant economic role in the world after joining WTO. China has played such a tremendous role for the past 20 years at not only providing cheaper goods to the world, but it's also buying goods from the rest of the world. And two, it's not only receiving investment from the world, but it's also sending investment out to the rest of the world. And I think that is mutually beneficial to everyone. China for the next 10, 20 years for the world post-COVID-19, it will be a tremendous player in the economy. After COVID-19, we need more provision of goods and services. We do need more trade so that the entire supply chain can take advantage